Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrahman.
And I am the Sarfraz.
We are the students of 10th class from Pilot Secondary School, Multan. For stamp competition, we are going to make an agricultural model of seed planter and fertilizing machine.
Now let's build our model. As we saw, this simple model can be used for seed sowing and fertilizing of soil at the same time. It can sow seed at equal distance and apply fertilizer near to the seed.
How my model is helpful for farmers. It can be towed with tractor or farm animals, or it can be hand pulled. It saves seed by maintaining equal distance. It saves fertilizer by applying only near to seed. Hence, it is a money saving machine.